Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahadi English School. This video is for students of class 2 subject science. Today's thought: as you know more, you grow more. So, this thought tells us that as you get more knowledge, as you read more books, as you get knowledge from your elders, from your teachers, you will grow more. Your life will become meaningful. So always learn something new from your elders, from your teachers every day and try to apply that in your life. The good manners that you all should follow: be a friend with everyone, do not fight, help others, those who are in need, be a good listener, attentively you should listen, raise your hand while sitting in a group or in the class, be kind even with animals, even they need your love and affection. See, please and thank you, say these words, use these words as many times as possible. They are very good words. Take turns, give the chances to others also. Whenever you are playing or whenever you are doing something, see that others also get the chances for the same. In today's video, we will continue with our chapter Light and Shadow, that is lesson number 13, the last lesson of your science textbook. We will first revise the chapter with the help of the summary and keywords, and we will read the notes of the chapter, which are very important to be learnt. So, let us begin with our lesson Light and Shadow. So, in our previous video, we had learnt about how long is a shadow. Remember, we have learnt about it. Let us just have a quick look. How long is a shadow? I had told you to do this. Go out in the sun in the morning, look at your shadow. Go out in the sun at noon, again look at your shadow. Go out in the sun in the evening, then look at your shadow again. So, what did you see? The length of your shadow is different, isn't it? The shadows have different length during the different times of the day. Here it is given, shadows change in length. Shadow of an object in the sun changes in the length at different types of the day: morning, noon and evening. Shadows in the morning and evening are long, while shadows at noon are the shortest. We had learned what do we get light from. See the images. This is the image where the tube light is switched off. This is the image where tube light is switched on. So why can't we see anything clearly inside the first room? It is because the light is not switched on. Here we can see clearly because the light is switched on. So when the tube light is switched on, we can see inside the room. Things that give us light are called sources of light. So in the room, what is the source of the light? Tube light, because it gives us light. So it is called the source of the light. We had seen many other sources of light. See, candle, flashlight, lamp, then the lamps of the car, street lights are there, stars in the sky and bonfire. All these are the sources of light. We get light from all these things. The sun is the most powerful source of light. You know that, right? I had told you that it's very important point. And the earth would have been totally dark without the light from the sun. What if the sun does not come up in the morning? Do we get light without sun? We can't, because the sun is the most powerful source of light. We had done this activity. We had to write whether it is man-made or natural source of light. We had also solved this activity. So now we shall read the notes of the chapter, and I suggest you write one time in the rough book while watching the video. So now we are learning lesson 12, light and shadow, notes. Read along with me, write one time in the rough book without making any mistake. And the most important thing is learning. You are watching the video for understanding and learning, not for writing. So please just read and learn. If you want to write and learn, it is up to you, but see that you read properly with me. So let us read the hard words. Number 1, Light, light. Light, light. Light, light. See, you can see the room clearly, each and everything. The sofa is there, the television, the curtains, the plants, the paintings, everything you can see clearly. Why? Because the lights are on. See, all the lights are on. So that is the light. Number 2, Patch, patch. Patch, patch. Patch, patch. That is the dark shadow. When you stand in the sun, there will be the patch of light which will be formed. That is the dark shadow which is formed. You can see, and you already know a shadow is a dark patch formed when the thing does not let the light pass through it. So this is shadow. Shadow is a dark patch which is formed. So we have already learned what is shadow. Number 3, Shadow, shadow. Shadow, shadow. Shadow. See, this is shadow. As you know, in the morning and in the evening, the shadow are long, but in the noon, the shadow is the shortest. I hope you remember that we have learned when the shadow is long and when it is the shortest. Number 4, Ground, ground. Ground, ground. Ground. So we see that the shadow forms. Where does it form? The shadow can be seen on the ground, a wall, or any other object. Shadow can be seen on the ground or on any other object. Number 5, Formed, formed. Formed, formed. Formed, formed. A shadow is formed on the ground. See, the shadow is formed, means to make it. Number 6, Opposite, opposite. Opposite, opposite. Opposite. See, this is the object. The sunlight will fall on the object. The rays of the sun are falling on the object. And where does the shadow form? Over here. It is on the opposite side. Object is over here and the shadow falls on the opposite side. So that is opposite. The sun rays falling on the tree and the tree makes the shadow on the ground on the opposite side. Number 7, Source, source. Source, source. Source, source. So why are these images given? Because these are the sources of light. We get light from all these objects, from the torch, from the candle, matchstick, the sun, bulb, bonfire, many objects are there. We get light from all these objects. Even the moon is there, lighter is there. These are the sources of light. So it is given source. Number 8. Length. 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 See, this is the length of the shadow. Here the length is longer. Here it is short. Here the length is short. Here it is longer. So sometimes in afternoon the length is short. In the evening and during the morning the length is long. Number 9. Different. 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 So we see the shadows have different lengths at different times of the day. They have different lengths, means not same. Number 10. Shortest. 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 See, this is the shortest shadow. This is long. This is the shortest shadow. Very small. Number 11. Tubelight. Tube light. Tubelight. Tube light. Tubelight. Tube light. So this is the image of the tube light which you can see over here, right? The image is shown. So we have the tube lights of different varieties in our house. We can use the tube light to get the light. If there is electricity, you can get the light from the tube light. Number 12. Candle. 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 This is the image of the candle which can be used when there is no electricity, even while having dinner. Some people use candle for candlelight dinner. Number 13. Flashlight. 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 So this is flashlight, like a torch. When you switch it on, it will throw the light and you can see clearly where you are going, or you can find something using the flashlight. These days people use the flashlight which they have in their phone. We have the flashlight in our phones, right? So we use it. Number 14. Bonfire. Bonfire. Number 15. Powerful. 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 So you know that which is the most powerful source of energy? The sun. The sun is the most powerful source of light. Now we have the next topic, multiple choice questions, MCQ. Let us read the MCQ and read all the options and mark the correct answer. Number 1. Which of these is not a source of light? From the given below, which one is not the source of light? See the question, it is negative question. Which one is not a source of light? Right? Which is the negative answer, not the source of light? Option A, sun. Option B, tube light. Option C, chair. Or option D, fire. So the answer is option C, chair. Chair is not source of light because it does not give us light, but sun, tube light and fire, they all give us light, but chair does not. Number 2. Which of these is not true of a shadow? Option A, shadow is dark patch. Option B, shadow is formed on the opposite side of light. Option C, length of the shadow during all the times of the day is equal. Or option D, shadow is formed when light cannot pass through an object. So which one is not true? Means which one is false? Option C is false. Length of a shadow during all the times of the day is equal. Is it? No, it is different. During the morning and in the evening it is long, and in the noon it is short. So it is not equal during all the times. So it is false. It is not true statement. Number 3. Where is the shadow of an object formed? Where does the shadow form? Option A, on the same side of the source. Option B, on the opposite side of the source. Option C, under the object. Or option D, above the object. So the shadow is formed on the opposite side of the source. Remember, the shadow is always formed on the opposite side of the source, means where the object is there, opposite side of that object the shadow is formed. So here option B is the correct answer. Number 4. What is the color of a shadow? Does it have any color? See the shadow. Options are white, black, yellow, or same as the color of the object. Does shadow have any color? It is dark. See, it is just black. Shadow is colorless. It is black. It does not have any color like white and black. They are different colors. So though they are colors, but they are colorless. So shadow is very dark. It does not have any color. So the answer is black. Number 5. Where can a shadow not form? Again, it is a negative question. Where can a shadow not form? Where the shadow will not be formed? On the wall, on the ground, on another object, or in the sky. Where does the shadow not form? The shadow does not form in the sky. Where does the shadow not form? In the sky. In the sky you will not see the shadow. But on the ground, on the wall, on another object you can see. But can you see your shadow or anyone else's shadow in the sky? No, the sky is above. It is very far from us. We cannot see the shadow over there. The next is fill in the blanks. Let's read. Fill in the blanks. Do write it one time as you are writing all other things. Fill in the blanks have to be written one time in your rough book. Number 1. A shadow is a dash patch. Is it dark or light? A shadow is a dark patch. See, this is shadow. Shadow is a dark patch. Here the answer is dark. Shadow is a dark patch. Number 2. Shadow is the dash at noon. At noon, what is the size of the shadow? Is it the shortest or is it the longest? Shadow is the shortest at noon. during afternoon time, if you go out after 3 o'clock, at around 3 o'clock or 2 o'clock, you will see the shadow will be very, very short, as we have seen in the images. It is the shortest at noon. Number 3, things that give us light are called dash of light. The things which give us light, we get light from those things. What are they called? Are they called sources of light or are they called forces of light? The things which give us light are called the sources of light. What is the spelling? S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. Things that give us light are called sources of light. S-O-U-R-C-E-S. Sources. See, the tube light is there, night lamp or the bulb, bonfire, anything that gives us light. After that, number 4, the dash is the most powerful source of light. What is the most powerful source of light? We get light from. The most powerful source of light is the sun. S-U-N. Sun. The sun gives the maximum light on our planet Earth, and all these objects are nothing compared to the sun. Light, bulb, tube light, and all these objects are very, very small, but the sun is the greatest and the biggest, the most powerful source of light, which gives the light to the whole world. Number 5, we cannot see anything in dash room. We cannot see anything in dark room. Where can we not see? We cannot see anything in the dark room. D-A-R-K. Dark. When the light is switched off, can you see anything? No. We need to switch on the light. If you want to see, you have to switch on the light. So, we cannot see anything in dark room. Number 6, shadows are formed when things do not allow dash to pass through them. Shadows are formed when the things do not allow the light to pass through them. When you keep something in between, when there is light, the light is falling on an object. If you keep something in between, then the shadow will be formed of that object on the opposite side. So, shadows are formed when the light is blocked. When the light does not pass through an object, it forms a shadow. Number 7, a dash can be formed on the ground. Light or shadow, what is formed on the ground? A shadow is formed. A shadow can be formed on the ground. See, so many people are walking. So a shadow can be formed like this on the ground. Number 8, shadows are formed on the dash side of the source of light. Where does the shadow form? Does it form on the same side or does it form on the opposite side? The shadows are always formed on the opposite side of the source of light. Number 9, shadows are of dash lengths at different timings, like in the morning, noon, and in the evening. Are they of the same length or different? They are of different lengths. The size of the shadow keeps on changing. So they are of different lengths. Sometimes they are long, sometimes they are short. So the size, it keeps on changing. They are different lengths. Match the following. Let us match it. See column A, column B, it is given light, shortest shadow, long shadows, no shadow. Then on column B it is given total darkness, morning and evening, noon, to see things around us. Let us try to match the first one, light. So why do we need light? We need light to see the things around us, right? When you switch on the light, only then you can see the things around you. So the first option, let us match it over there. Say I'll just match it in the way you can see it clearly. First let us take over here. Now match it with the things to see the things around us. Then shortest shadow. During which time of the day do we see the shortest shadow? During the noon, afternoon time, we see the shortest shadow. Then long shadows, when the length of the shadow is long. Which time? During the time of morning and evening, the length is long. No shadow at all. When do we see no shadow at all? When there is total darkness. When the lights are off, when you switch off the lights of the room, when there is total darkness, you will not see the shadow at all. Isn't it? Yes, we will not. So we complete our today's video over here. Let us see what did we revise. We read the notes of the chapter, light and shadow. We read the hard words. So I'll just scroll it so that you can have a look in today's content. Then we saw multiple choice questions which were around 5. Then we read fill in the blanks which were around 9 fill in the blanks. After that we solved match the following. So I hope that you have written all these things one time in the rough book. Meanwhile I will send the notes. You can copy those in the fair book, right? So keep watching the videos every day and keep learning. Thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day.